Hello and welcome to my workshop. My name is Paul. I'm a luthier and bowmaker based in Tasmania, Australia. In this series I will share some of the projects I work on each week, giving you a glimpse over my shoulder as I work as though you were looking through the window into my workshop. It's one of my wedges and almost be reusable, that one. A little dab of powdered rosin on the end of the thumb just to make it nice and sticky. And this one just doesn't want to move. Okay, try something else. Okay, we'll give this a gentle go. You be careful, you don't want to break the tongue off. There we go. She comes. Again, there's one of my wedges. Again, shows the versatility. It can be reused. You'll find that'll drop in there and still fit perfectly. Be able to be reused in the next rehair, unlike some other dodgy ones that you see that you've just got to throw away. Leather and winding has to come off this one. This is an interesting setup. It's like it's been done in two parts. Just the old winding coming off it. Putting a new winding and leather on this one. I might do a bit more of a detailed instruction as to how to do that. There we go. It just needs a good clean up of all the parts next. Skipped a lot of the cleaning of the stick process. It's just a little bit monotonous and takes a bit of time, so skip to the final bits. Start on the frog, give the frog a clean. So there are our parts all cleaned up. Sticks. Also all cleaned up. It's ready for a new winding and leather. So I will probably do the fitting of the new, replacing of the winding as a separate video, as it'll take a little bit of time. So we'll cut back once the winding is on, possibly to fitting the leather, and then assessing our wedges and getting ready to put some new hair back in the bow. So there's our winding on. Now it's time to cut the leather. Oops. So there it is there, we've marked it out 3.5 centimeters by 5.5. This is a kangaroo leather. Quite durable but nice and soft under the thumb. A lot softer than say goat leather, which is thinner, but wears out a little quicker and is a lot harder under the thumb. Just going to thin down the ends, as I've shown in one of my other videos. Okay, so we've just shivved that down, made it a little thinner, so it's not quite so thick. Just want to run a little bit more off this side. Knife just needs a run on the strop. The leather is very harsh to cut. It's really aggressive on your blades. It's better. Okay, get some glue on that and wrap that on. Check we're going to be in the right spot, which we are. Okay, next we've got this tip to replace, so I'm going to take that piece off there and stick it on the end and reshape it. Now this has already still got the piece of liner, ebony, or looks like that's fibre liner. Looks like we've still got the piece of fibre liner on there, so that'll need to be glued back down, and then I'll take the bit of liner that's off this piece of bone and we'll shape it to fit.